Yes, yes.
Okay.
All the mirror is for me. So you can
go
put
ahead.
on the brake and you can go.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, just at the left.
Clear?
You can go, the track is clear. Okay, go to the left.
This is the braking point?
Yes, it's a braking point. Brake here. And in just corner, just stay to the exterior. We have another car, just stay to the exterior and let
Okay.
the car pass.
Yep.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, you can go. Okay, you can gas here. And go to the left.
Okay.
This is a braking point. Okay, brake hard. Okay, just a little more. Perfect. Okay, you can gas here. Stay to the left.
Yep.
Okay, little gas here. Not just full. Go to the inside and you can gas here.
Oh, that's cool. That's so cool, man. Is this braking?
Yes, it's braking point. Okay, brake hard. Perfect. Just let the car go here.
Okay.
And you can gas here. And brake here.
That's a later apex.
Yes. Okay, just keep on a little gas here.
Yep.
It's a 2-corner Cayman. And you can gas here. Okay, little brake here. Perfect. And go to the inside. Perfect. And this is the same corner at the list. And brake here. Perfect. It's okay for the brakes. You can let the car go and gas here. Just a little bit inside the last.
I recognized curb is pretty hard.
Brake. Perfect. Little gas here. And you can gas here. Go to the left. And big brake here. Brake, brake.
We can even more brake. We can move the brake point even later.
It's a straight corner here. It's not the entire lap, so
Yeah.
it's difficult corner for
Yeah.
the people. And brake here. Okay, perfect. Just let the car go. And brake here. Perfect. No gas here. And you can gas here. Just little gas in this corner. Little gas. Perfect. And little brake here. Go to the inside.
Yep.
And to the inside here. Perfect. And brake here. And you can gas here.
Very nice.
Yeah, perfect.
How much far am I away from the actual limit in this corner? You know, in percent.
Oh, it's one brake. 80%.
Okay.
It's a good driving, huh?
Okay.
For this day with the people, it's a good driver.
Okay. Thanks.
And brake. Perfect, nice corner. right and back in the pit lane, it's already behind.
Ah.
Thank you. You drive another car after this?
Yeah, I drive the 911 after this.
Oh yes. The GT3?
Huh?
The GT3?
The GT3, yeah. Whoa, that was good.
Yes.
That was good.
Good drive.
Thanks.
We can see the experience of the simulator.
Yeah, simulator helps indeed for, you know, knowing the apexes. And
Yes, yes, of course. Already the braking. You have a good brake.
yeah.
But most of the people didn't brake too hard, and it's difficult to change
Yeah.
the open road driving.
Yeah, absolutely. You have to. Yeah, well, actually, you need I don't know 20-25 laps in a row in this car to find
Yes.
out the real limits.
Okay, it's okay.